I'm Dan Hastings, pro staff at A1 Archery. I'm here with Bill Bolin, and we're spring turkey hunting in Wisconsin for A1 Archery's 365 No Off-Season video series.
If you hang around the shop at A1 long enough, you're eventually going to bump into Dan Hasting. Dan coordinates our youth archery leagues. It looks like Dan is going to become an asset both inside and out of the store. This is also Bill Bolin's first time behind the camera. He has dual duties today as both guide and cameraman. Finally, he decides to come in as he can't resist the guy's decoys. Well, Dan's gonna run out and collect his trophy.
.365 No Off-Season. We're in west central Wisconsin. Bill Bowman's my cameraman. Bill Bowman's my guide. So again, I want to thank Bill. I want to thank A1. Dan, Jim, I couldn't have done this without you guys. But